New ChatGPT update is insane. OpenAI just dropped a brand new ChatGPT update. It's called GPT 5.3 Instant. And honestly, this thing is a game changer. Today I'm going to show you exactly what changed, why it matters, and how you can use it right now. This is big, this is new, and by the end of this video, you're going to want to try it yourself. So let's get into it. Okay, so here's the deal. ChatGPT just got way better, like way better. And I'm not just saying that. OpenAI literally came out and said this new update is built to be more accurate, more natural, and less cringe. Yeah, they actually use the word cringe. And you know what? They're right. Because if you've been using ChatGPT for a while, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Those weird, preachy responses, the over-the-top disclaimers, the robotic tone that makes you feel like you're talking to a textbook. That stuff gone, or at least way less of it now. So, what is GPT 5.3 Instant? Simple. It's the newest default model inside ChatGPT. It started rolling out on March 3rd, 2026. So if you open ChatGPT right now, you might already have it. And if you're a developer, you can access it through the API too. The model name is GPT 5.3 Chat Latest. So you can plug it straight into your apps, your tools, your workflows, whatever you're building. Now, here's where it gets really interesting, and pay attention because this part matters. The biggest upgrade, fewer hallucinations. And if you don't know what that means, it's when ChatGPT just makes stuff up. Like, it sounds confident, it sounds right, but it's totally wrong. That's a hallucination. And with GPT 5.3 Instant, OpenAI says they've cut hallucinations by up to 26.8% when you're using web search. That is huge. Think about that. Over a quarter of the wrong answers just wiped out. If you're using ChatGPT for research, for writing, for anything where accuracy matters, this is massive. But wait, there's more. And this next part is something I've been wanting for a long time. The tone is better, like actually better. You know how before you'd ask ChatGPT a simple question and it would give you this long, careful, tiptoeing answer with a million disclaimers, like you asked it what time it is, and it gave you a lecture on time zones. That's done. GPT 5.3 talks like a normal person now. It's smoother, it's more direct. It doesn't add all that extra fluff that nobody asked for. And honestly, that alone makes it worth the update. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Okay, so let's keep going because there's even more to this update. Another big change is fewer refusals. You know when you ask ChatGPT something totally normal and it just says no, like it thinks your question is somehow dangerous or weird when it's completely fine? That was so annoying. And OpenAI heard us, they listened to the feedback. GPT 5.3 Instant is way less likely to refuse normal, everyday questions. It actually tries to help you now instead of acting like a nervous hall monitor. And then there's the web search thing. This is cool. So when ChatGPT searches the web for you, it used to be a bit clunky. Sometimes it would lean too hard on web results. Sometimes it would ignore them. It was inconsistent. With GPT 5.3, it's way better at balancing what it knows internally with what it finds online. So you get answers that are both smart and current, best of both worlds. Now, let me tell you why this update is actually a big deal beyond just the features, because there's a bigger picture here and most people are missing it. OpenAI is shifting. They're not just chasing speed and benchmarks anymore. They're focusing on how ChatGPT actually feels to use. Think about that. Instead of saying, hey, look, our model is 10% faster on this random test, they're saying, hey, we made it less annoying to talk to. That's a huge shift. And it tells you something important about where AI is going. It's going toward real, practical, everyday usefulness, not just tech specs. And this matters for you, whether you're a business owner, a creator, a student, or just someone who uses ChatGPT every day, because a better ChatGPT means better results for whatever you're doing, better content, better research, better answers, less time fixing mistakes, less time fighting with the tool, more time actually getting stuff done. Now, here's something I want you to think about, and this is where it gets real. If you're not using AI in your business or your workflow, right now you are behind. Full stop. Tools like ChatGPT are getting better every single month. And the people who are using them are moving faster, working smarter, and getting more done than everyone else. That's just the reality. And if you want to learn how to actually use AI to scale your business, get more customers, and automate the stuff that's eating up your time, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to use tools like ChatGPT and GPT 5.3 Instant to automate your workflows and grow your business with AI. I'll drop the link in the comments and description. Seriously, go check it out. Okay, so let's talk about some practical stuff. How can you actually use GPT 5.3 Instant right now? First, if you're a content creator, this is gold. The better tone means you can use ChatGPT for drafts, scripts, outlines, and it's going to sound way more natural. Less editing for you, less time cleaning up robotic language. That's a win. Second, if you do any kind of research, the hallucination reduction is huge. You can trust the answers more, not blindly, obviously. Always double check important stuff, but 26.8% fewer wrong answers means you're starting from a much better place. Third, if you're a developer, the API access means you can build this into your own tools right now. Your chatbots, your apps, your automations, they all just got smarter overnight. Fourth, if you're in SEO or digital marketing, this matters too. Better web search integration means ChatGPT is pulling in better, more current data. That means better keyword research, better content ideas, better competitive analysis, all of it. Now let me answer some questions I know you're going to have. Is GPT 5.2 going away? Not yet. OpenAI is keeping it around as a legacy option until June 3rd, 2026. So you've got time to switch over. But honestly, there's no reason not to switch now. GPT 5.3 is just better. Does this work in other languages? Yes, but OpenAI says they're still improving non-English performance. So if you're working in English, you'll see the biggest improvements right now. Other languages are getting better too, just not as fast. Do you need to do anything to get it? Nope. If you're using ChatGPT, it should update automatically. Just open it up and start chatting. You might already be on GPT 5.3 and not even know it. Now, here's one more thing I want to share before we wrap up. And I think this is really important. The speed of AI updates is only getting faster. Like we just had GPT 5.2 and now GPT 5.3 is already here. These updates are coming quick and each one is a step up. Each one makes AI more useful, more reliable, more practical. The people who stay on top of this stuff are the ones who win. The people who ignore it get left behind. That's just how it works. So here's what I want you to do. First, go try GPT 5.3 Instant right now. Open ChatGPT, ask it something, see the difference for yourself. Second, if you want to take this further and learn how to actually use AI tools like this to automate your business and get more customers, join the AI Profit Boardroom. I've got step-by-step processes, AI automation workflows, and a community of people who are all using this stuff to grow. The link is in the comments and description. Go join now while it's fresh in your mind. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's a free community. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Hit like if this was helpful. Subscribe if you want more AI updates like this, and drop a comment below telling me what you think of GPT 5.3 Instant. Julian reads every single one. I'll see you in the next one.